Hi guys, welcome to another video. I am at, I'm gonna say it wrong, Xativa? I'll get the right pronunciation later. Anyways, it's a castle here, about an hour southwest of Valencia. I'm with a big group of girls. I organized this event. I'm so excited for that. We're here at the castle, and then we're going to be going to waterfalls and swimming later. This is a beautiful little town, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along on the ride. So let's go.
Tell me to talk to people.
Yeah. How cute is this, fam? So I just found out we talked to the tour guide. Luckily, I speak enough Spanish, and the girls here also speak Spanish, and they're all, yay, girl power. So we found out there's two castles here actually to walk to. So we're going up the first castle now, and then to the second castle, and then off to the waterfalls. It is hot. And it was supposed to rain, but it looks super sunny, no clouds. We'll see if it rains later, but as of right now, we are good to go. Yay! Talk about how great my braids turned out today. I can never get them to sit at the nape of my neck comfortably. They always fall like out, and they're just like a hot mess there. This part I have no problem with. When it gets down there, it's always a fucking shit show. Today, I did it. First try. The first time I've ever gotten it to work right. Spanish life is just doing me good things. You feel me? Anyways, let's check out. Oh, how cute. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera. Look. I fucking love castles and hiking up mountains. Like, oh, it's literally the best. It gives me life. If I didn't have this, man, life would not be worth living. Oh my god, women empowering women, bitch. Yes. It feels so good to be with people my age. Oh, sorry, bugs. And to be with people who are doing what I'm doing and are from all over the world. I'm so lucky. It is such a wonderful thing to meet women from all over the world. I've met women from Ireland, from the UK, from the Ukraine, from Russia, from Dubai, from the States, where else? From Spain. A lot of them have lived here a long time, a lot of them haven't. A lot of them are English teachers like me, struggling to extend our visas because we came and fell in love. Excuse me. God. I just think about how ignorant and closed-minded and stupid I was just a short 9 months ago. And now my mind has like expanded double. I'm going up steep ass fucking hills and I'm out of shape as fuck. So sorry for the heavy breathing. There's supposed to be rooms here somewhere. But I don't know if those aren't a thing anymore. I seen a video of a couple that came here and they supposedly had rooms. But I'm not seeing them. Anyways, it's beautiful here. Look. I'm having the best day.
I think you can't turn right on a red light.
Yeah, I think that's everywhere.
Oh, and women empowering women, bitch, photo shoot. That is not a normal thing here, for me, at least. You can't do that in America. That when I was deciding to come here, I've seen online that it was like kind of hidden. You had to really look for it. Is it right here?
So pretty. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but they say that there's a hike to the waterfall.
Oh, the water. So this is not the waterfall.
No.
I hear it though.
You can hear it, but the hike to the waterfall is a little bit of a trick to find it, but they say it's here.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
We're
The water is 40 degrees. Oh my God, I need a wetsuit.
Can we talk about this bitch? Yes. Oh my God. I feel like I'm in South America. Like, this is what I imagine like Peru or something to look like. Ah! Like, this is life right now. Like, I'm living in this world with these flowers and this waterfall with these wonderful women hiking. I'm like over the moon happy. Ah! Uh-oh. And there's girls behind you, yes? They're all coming? Okay. Vale.
If someone dying, just drive.
Yeah, do we need a safe word?
Help with work.
Oh, wow.
Calling it. We made it after a treacherous ass fucking hike. After a treacherous hike. We have made it to the promised land. Woo! So now we have to figure out crossing this. We did it! After a hike that was too difficult to videotape, we finally got to the bottom of the waterfall. Who the hell knows how we're getting up, because it ain't us. But it's beautiful and so worth it. So that was a major success. We just did the trail from the big waterfall that you'll see in the pictures. Or you see in the pictures, I should say. And now we're going back to the swimming hole to take a dip. Oh, I'm falling and shit with the other group of girls. And, well, here we are. That was fast. Oh my goodness. How beautiful. Alright fam, can you tell I spent the day in the sun? That was a fantastic day with great people. And I appreciate you watching this video. So like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.